Good morning students, myself Sangeeta Sharma. I will teach you maths. Today we will begin with the chapter multiplication, that is lesson number 3. I hope you have completed all the previous lesson 1 and 2 that was uploaded in the WhatsApp group. Now we will begin a new chapter, lesson 3, that is multiplication. I'll start with explanation in which we have to use the first method, that is method 1, expanded notation form. We will do the multiplication with the help of expanded form. Okay, so your exercise is there in page number 47. Find the product using the expanded form. Expanded form you have studied in the earlier class also. Expanded form means it, like if I say 97, how you will expand this number? 90 plus 7. Same way if I write 163. So how you will write in expanded form? How you speak? 163 means 163. Like this you write in the expanded form. So now we'll do the multiplication with the help of expanded form like this. We'll break the first number 37 in the expanded form. 37 means 30 plus 7. We'll put this in bracket, multiply by 6. Okay. Now we'll multiply 6 with 30 and multiply 6 with 7. Whatever will come, then we'll add this. Okay. We'll multiply 6 with 30 and 6 with 7. How we will do? 30 multiply by 6 plus addition sign, 7 multiply by 6. Okay. 30 multiply by 6 means how you multiply? 30 into 6. How you will do? In the rough word column, you can do like this also. 6 zeros are 0, 6 threes are 18. So how it comes? 30 into 6 is 180 plus 7 6 are 42. Now we'll add both this number, 180 plus 42. So in addition, 0 plus 2 is 2, 8 plus 4 is 12, carry over 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So your answer came 222. Understood? How you will do multiplication by expanded notation. Same way we will do the second sum. The second sum is 149 multiplied by 3. So we break this number 149. How will break? 100 plus 40 plus 9. 149 multiplied by 3. Now this 3 will be multiplied by 100, 40 as well as 9. So 3 multiplied by 100 is what? 300 plus 3 multiplied by 40 is 120 plus 3 multiplied by 9 is 27. Now we'll add this number in the rough work. 300 plus 120 plus 27. 7 plus 0 is 7. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. So your answer comes 447. Understood? Now we'll do the second part of the question, page number 48. Find the product using the expanded form. Page number 48. Find the product using expanded form. A part. First question is 5632 multiplied by 5. 5632 multiplied by 5. Same method we have to use with it, that is the expanded form. How we will write 5632 and in the expanded form? 5000, break the number, 5000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 2 multiply by 5. Now you will multiply 5 with 5,000, 5 with 600, 5 with 30. Same way 5 multiplied by 2. Okay, how you will do? 5,000 multiplied by 5 plus 600 multiplied by 5 plus 600 multiplied by 5 plus 2 multiplied by 5. How you will multiply? Now 5 5s are 25. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros plus 5 6 are 5 6 are 30. How many zeros? 2 zeros plus 3 5s are 15. 1 0 plus 2 5s are 10. Now we will add this all the digits. 25,000 plus 3,000, 150, then 10. Now we will add 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 0, 5 plus 1, 6, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 5 plus 3 is 8, and then 2. So your answer is 28,160, 28,160. Same way we will do the second question. Nine multiplied by 9. Same way we break this number in the expanded form. How will we break? 9,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9 multiplied by 9. So 9,000 multiplied by 9. Addition 0 multiplied by 9 plus 0 multiplied by 9 plus 9 multiplied by 9. 9 multiplied by 9. 9 9s are 81. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Addition sign. 0 9s are any number multiplied by 0 gives 0. 0 multiplied by 0 is 0. 9 9s are 81. Now we'll add this all the numbers. No need to write 0, only you will write these are numbers. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 8 is 8, 0, 1, 8. So your answer comes 8, 1, 0, 8. This is the answer. Okay. Now next method is column by multiplication by column method. Second method. First we have done with expanded form, that is breaking the number 5,600 into expanded form, and then we are multiplying with the next single digit number, that is by 5. 5 is multiplied by 5,000, 600 is multiplied by 5, 30 is multiplied by 5, and again 2 is multiplied by 5. This is for expanded form. Now this 5 is now multiplied of all the digits. 5 all the numbers, that is 5,000, 600, 30 and 5. What comes in the multiplication? 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. 5 5 is 25. 3 zeros, then addition sign. 5 6 are 30. How many zeros are there? 2. So we'll write here 2 zeros. Addition sign. 5 3s are 15. 1 0 plus 2 5s are 10. Now we'll add all these numbers in a graph per column. Okay. Now the second method is method 2, that is column method. Okay. Now how we'll do this second method, that is multiplication by column method. I'll explain one question. That is exercise B. using the column method. Page number 48, first question. Okay, now we multiply with the help of column method. So how you will write the number first? Bigger number is 1374 multiplied by 2. Okay, this 2 will be multiplied by 4. 2 will be multiplied by 7, this 2 will be multiplied by 3 and 2 will be multiplied by 1. We will multiply 2 by all the numbers. Okay, 2 4s are 8. As you know the table of 2 I know. 2 7s are 14. How you will write 14? 4 here, 1 carry. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. We will add the carry. 2 1s are 2. This is the first solution by which method? By column method. Multiplication with the help of column. Means we are multiplying the one single digit, that is 2, by rest all the numbers that are there in top. 2 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 7, 2 multiplied by 3 and 2 multiplied by 1. If there is any carry, okay, you have to add that carry. Okay, same way, how you will do once again? 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, carry over 1 and 4 here 14, 2 3s are 6 plus 1. You have to add this carry, that is 2 3s are 6 and plus 1 is what? 7, 2 1s are 2. Next question, we'll take the next question. 2037 multiplied by 5. Okay, how you multiply? This 5 with 7, 5 with 3, 5 with 0 as well as 5 multiplied by 2. 5 7s are 35. Okay, how you will write? 5 here, 3 here. We will give the carry. 5 3s are 15. Now we will not write 15, but we will add the carry also. 5 3s are 15 plus 3 is 18. 8 here, 1. Carry. 5 zeros are 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1. 5 2s are 10. So how you have done? Understood? Once again, 5 7s are 35. 5 here, 3 will give the carry. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 8 here, 1 carry. 5 zeros are any number multiplied by 0 means 0. 5 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 5 2s are 10. Now to the next page, page number 49. See, fill in the blanks. Okay, page number 49. First question. Okay, any number, if we multiply any number with 10 or any number with 100 or any number with 1000, how you multiply? 1 multiplied by 1. 1 ones are 1. How many zeros is there? 1. Same way, 1 ones are 1. How many zeros? 2 zeros, we'll put 2 zeros. 9 ones are 9. And how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Any number multiplied by either 10, 100 or 1000 will multiply first number. 1 ones are 1. And how many zeros are there? We'll put that 1 zero. Same way, 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. And how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. We'll put 3 zeros. Same way as I say, 84 multiplied by 1000. So 84 ones are 84. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So we'll put 3 zeros. So now we will fill the blanks. First one I have done. 1 multiplied by 10, that is 10 ones are 10. Second, 6 multiplied by 10. Okay, 6 ones are 6. How many 0? 1 0. Same way third one. 35 multiplied by 10. 35 ones are 35. 35 ones are 35. How many zeros? 1 0. Okay. Same way we'll do the sixth question. 5 multiplied by 100. 5 ones are 5. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Okay. Seventh question. 45 multiplied by 100. So 45 ones are 45. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Like this you have to do all the questions. 13th one is little different. So I solve the 13th question on blackboard. 13th one is 6 multiplied dash is equals to 600. So as you know, in the table of 6, when does the 6 come? One time. 6 ones are 6. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Okay, we'll write this way. 6 ones are 6. And how many zeros? 2 zeros. So we'll put here 2 zeros. Same way, the next question, question number 14. 7 multiplied by dash is equals to how much? 7,000. So how you will write? In the table of 7, when does the 7 comes? One time. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So we will put here 3 zeros. Same way, 18th question is little different. 73 multiplied by dash is equals to 7,300. In the table of 73, when does the 73 comes? One time. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Okay. 73 into 100 is equals to 7,300. Same way, 19th question. 28 multiplied by dash is equals to 0. So 28, any number multiplied by 0 gives 0. So we'll write here what? 0. 20th question. 5 multiplied by 8 is equals to dash multiply 8 multiply dash. Okay. So both the sides should be same. 5 multiplied by 8 is equals to 8. Where what is here? 5. So here we will write the same number 5. In this both are same. 5 is a 40. Same way 8 5 is a 40. Next 21. 65 multiply dash is equals to 65. So in the table of 65, when does the 65 comes? That is one time. So we will write 1. Okay. Okay students. In the fill in the blanks, I have done till 21. Some questions I have not done, that you do as homework. Okay. We will continue the next part of the chapter in the next class. Continue, complete your work in your fair notebook. Neat and clean work should be done.